Am I recording? I think I am. What's up, peeps? Shrimp is back. And we're going to be doing something very simple. We're going to be doing my headlight polishing. And we got some stuff here. I'm not sponsored. Hopefully I get sponsored one day. Boys, we're using Meguiar's plastics, clear plastic cleaner and polish. And then to make it look even more shiny, we have the headlight sealant from Meguiar's as well. I don't have, so I'm using my Pops DeWalt drill. And then, yeah, let's just get this shit started, sons. Ow, I just stepped on something. As you guys can see, I already prepped it. I already got all the tape down. The bumper's f***ed up, as y'all can see. The big old gap. There's a gap right over the headlight as well, but, you know, it should be fine. We're just gonna start sanding it down, though. Get a good angle on this. Yes, sir. Oh, nice to sand it down. There we go. Get all the corners. Up here, because I didn't get up here yet. Alright. That should be good. Cool. She's sanded down now. Now we're gonna put some of this beautiful stuff on this. There we go. Now we're just gonna smear it everywhere like how you would do on your significant other, if y'all get what I mean. Maybe this is a two-hand job. Let me put y'all down for a second. And now for the final product, headlight sealant. Hold on, let me see. Can y'all see that? Headlight sealant from Meguiar. Oh, not that. And now the finishing touch. Just polish her out. Oh yeah, she looks so good now. Still have some marks on it, but this is not like a high-end type polishing. It's just to really get rid of the yellowing and all this other crap, all the bugs I've hit on the road. You know what I'm saying? Countless of bugs. Oh man, she looks nice. Fun fact, it's my first time doing it too. I basically learned from my pops on the left side. This is the right side. I learned on my I let my pops show me on the other side first. So I figured for the boys, I always say on the stream that I'm gonna actually do a video on the car, and I didn't do that. So now that I have the opportunity, I did something really, really simple, very small, and then I'll also post the before and after. But you already know, this has been Shrimp. Follow me on Twitch at Mr. Shrimp Dick. You guys already know. 2 Ks at the end, all lowercase letters. And then, sorry I haven't been posting other videos too. I know that we've been lacking on the Need for Speed Most Wanted Car customization videos. I'm gonna get back on that 100%. Next time, we might be doing some re-chroming, because as you guys can see, my grill is chipping. Yeah, I don't know how the hell we're gonna do that. But anyways, thank you everybody who was here today. Follow me. I love you.